Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tradomatics Pre-Market Index Analysis. Nifty after takes support from near 11,800 closed above 11,900 and near 12,000. So my observation in the present scenario of Nifty is if it sustain above 11,900 to 950, then it's likely move for 12,000 to 12,250. Otherwise, below 11,800 it will come for 11,500 to 600 zone for reverse. Let's come to Nifty chart. From near 11,800, Nifty again closed above 11,900 and near 12,000. So for now, if Nifty breaks and sustain above 12,000, then it's move for further uptrend. Otherwise, it comes down for 11,500 to 600 for reversal. Let's come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed in between 23,500 to 24,000 and resist near 24,000 after take support from near 23,000. So for now, if Bank Nifty sustain above 23,500 to 24,000, then it's likely try for further up move. Else, it's try to maintain a range bound move between 22,800 to 23,500 again. Let's come to Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty also moved for near its base support that 23,000 to its strong resistance that 24,000. So for now, if Bank Nifty sustain above 24,000, then it's likely try for 25,000 once. Otherwise, it will try to reverse from 22,200 to 22,800 zone again. As per my exploration, there have some trading opportunity for index future. That's for Nifty future. There is a crucial resistance for Nifty future that 12,300. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances. That's 12,129 and 12,200. There is a crucial support for Nifty future also that 11,680. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports. That's 11,800 and 11,729. Same as for Bank Nifty future, there have a crucial resistance for Bank Nifty future that 24,576. To achieve this resistance, there are two more resistances. That's 24,189 and 24,320. Same as there is a crucial support for Bank Nifty future also that 23,000. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports. That's 23,520 and 23,189. Let's come to some intraday trading stocks for intraday trading with range and midpoint. So what is the range and what is the midpoint? If a stock sustain above its midpoint with support with increases volume, if a stock sustain above its midpoint and it increases volume with price, then the upper range is denotes for its higher resistance to achieve with support of midpoint. Same as if a stock sustain below its midpoint with increases volume, then lower range is denotes for its reversal support with resistance as midpoint. Hindustan Unilever, that LTP is 2,158, its upper range is 2,300 and lower range is 2,050. So if it sustain above its midpoint 2,100 with increases volume, then it's likely try for its upper range or upper resistance that 2,300. Same as if it sustain below its midpoint 2,100 with increases volume, then it's likely try to reverse from its lower range or lower reversal support that 2,050. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. Hindustan Unilever, that LTP is 2,158. Asian Paints, that LTP is 2,071. Eicher Motors, that LTP is 2,253. Britannia, that LTP is 3,789. Bajaj Auto, that LTP is 3,054. PI Industry, that LTP is 2,037. BF Utility, that LTP is 262. LT, that LTP is 915. Oberoi Realty, that LTP is 390. QS Corp, that LTP is 409. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint with LTP for intraday trading. You can mail me on my mail ID, or